Welcome to Auto Vibe, where innovation meets adrenaline, and every drive becomes an experience. Today, we bring you an electrifying walkaround of the Excel X2 Turbo Edition, 2026, a machine that doesn't just promise performance, it delivers it with style and authority. Let's begin from the front, where the first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive yet elegant grille, finished in satin chrome with turbine-inspired air intakes that scream speed even at a standstill. The signature LED DRLs trace a sharp line across the sculpted hood, creating a futuristic V-pattern that lights up the road like a runway. The dual-projector matrix headlights aren't just for looks, they adjust automatically based on traffic and cornering. And right below, the carbon fiber lip spoiler gives it both aerodynamic edge and undeniable road presence. Moving to the back, the Excel X2 Turbo Edition continues to impress. A seamless LED light bar stretches across the rear, merging into the taillights like liquid neon. The turbo badge proudly sits under the sleek ducktail spoiler, hinting at the beast within. Twin exhaust tips with bronze plating and a diffuser-integrated bumper give it a bold, muscular finish that lets everyone know, this isn't your average city cruiser. Now glide over to the right side, and you'll notice how perfectly proportioned the silhouette is, with flared wheel arches housing 20-inch Vortex alloy wheels. The side skirts are subtly carved for airflow, and the frameless doors add a touch of luxury. Chrome trim along the window line and body-colored aerodynamic side mirrors blend form with function. Step inside to the dashboard, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels like a command center. A curved 14-inch digital cluster flows into a 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment panel, both powered by the latest DriveSmart OS. Ambient lighting wraps the dashboard and doors, adapting color to your drive mode. The layout is minimalist yet tech-rich, with haptic controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium 14-speaker audio system from SoundVault. The front seats are a masterpiece in comfort and support, crafted in ventilated vegan leather with contrast stitching and integrated massagers. The driver's seat comes with memory settings, lumbar support, and a panoramic visibility line that's ideal for both urban and highway driving. As we move to the back seats, space and luxury continue. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, their own climate zone, USB-C ports, and a fold-out center armrest with a touchscreen for media and lighting controls. The legroom is generous and the roof-mounted sunshade lets in just the right amount of light through the panoramic glass roof. Finally, we open the engine room, the heart of the Excel X2 Turbo Edition. Here lies a 2.4L twin-scroll turbocharged inline-4 engine, paired with a mild hybrid assist system delivering a thrill.